Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Jada. This video is kind of going to relate to the last video I uploaded in regards to how I lost 30 pounds in about 2 months. Since I've uploaded that, a lot of people have been asking me to do like a more in-depth video about exactly what I was eating. I feel like I kind of went over it in the first video, but I guess people want to know more detail about it. So in this video, I'm just gonna like break down every single thing I did with every product into like really definite detail. Every day for breakfast, I would scramble 2 eggs. To make it quicker, I would normally scramble them in the microwave and put like 2 tablespoons of cheese in them and mix it up and eat that for breakfast. You also always want to start your day drinking water. So normally with breakfast, I would pour a Benefiber in my water. I'm gonna put a picture of what the Benefiber looked like somewhere in this video just so you have an idea. But yeah, I would pour the Benefiber in my water and drink that with my eggs. So that would be all that I did for breakfast. Then I would normally go to the gym. People have been asking me what I did in the gym, but I'm gonna make a separate video for that too. So yeah, that's gonna come later. After I would go to the gym, I would normally make a protein shake. I'm gonna put a picture of the exact protein shake that I used somewhere in this video. My mom had a lot of stuff left over from when she was trying to lose weight. So a lot of the stuff that I'm using or that I used is from her. Like it's stuff that she had left over from when she basically did the same thing that I did. So yeah, I would make a protein shake. Normally the ones that you just pour in your water, and I would mix it up really good and drink that, and that would help keep me full until it was time for me to have lunch. You guys keep in mind, even if I don't say it, throughout my whole day I was just constantly drinking water. At least 5 bottles of water a day is good. You wanna say hello? Come here. She wanted me to hold her like a little baby. Girl, you are grown. We're the same size. She be acting shy. She's not shy. Every time she gets in front of the camera, Robbie cutting lights on her, she be acting shy. You're not shy, but you are big. So you got to get down. But yeah, for lunch, I would normally eat a small salad from HEB. I talked about it in the other video, but I actually have one here. This is the kind that I like. It's just a Fiesta salad, 210 calories, 12 grams of protein, chicken, cheese, corn, lettuce, and some dressing. So this is the one that I would eat for lunch. This is like between $3 and $5. You can obviously make it at home yourself. And yeah, that's all I ate for lunch. After a couple more hours would pass, if I was hungry, I would normally eat a protein bar, which I also got from my mom. I'm gonna put a picture of the exact one that I used in this video. And I'm also gonna try and leave everything in the description box so that if you don't feel like watching this whole video, you can just click the link to it and see what I used. Then for dinner, like I said, I feel like I'm just repeating everything I said in the last video. But for dinner, I would probably recommend, I'm not a big fitness guru, so a lot of this stuff was kind of just trial and error for me. You know, I don't want to say anything wrong or give you bad advice. This is just what I would describe as what I kind of meal prepped. Even though I bought it, like if you wanted to make it yourself, this is what I would recommend. What I ate was probably like 1 chicken breast, half a cup to a cup of vegetables, and like half a cup of mashed potatoes. That's basically what I ate. Sometimes if I was really hungry and I did just like want an extra snack or I wanted something sweet, I would have a piece of fruit. I would really eat any kind of fruit, pineapples, peaches, oranges. I don't really like oranges. Pineapples, peaches, raspberries, mangoes, anything like that, any type of fruit. So we're gonna break this down. We're gonna recap. We're gonna go back over everything that I said. First things first, you need to drink your water, at least 5 to 8 bottles a day. For breakfast, I would have 2 scrambled eggs. I would scramble them in the microwave. If you don't know how to do that, you can look up a video where I would put my Benefiber in my bottle of water that I was drinking. I would go to the gym, get my workout on. Then when I would come back, I would normally make a protein shake. Then for lunch, I would get a small salad from HEB or Walmart. Like 2 or 3 hours after lunch, if I was hungry, I would eat a protein bar. With dinner, I wasn't very precise with it because I was getting it from Boston Market. If you wanted to try and make your own version of it at home, I would probably recommend like 1 chicken breast, like half a cup to a cup of any vegetable, any green vegetable, and then like a half a cup of starch. I think mashed potatoes is a good choice. You could probably find a healthier one than that. That's just what I did. I hope that gives you guys some more detail about what exactly I was eating. If there's anything else you want to know or just want more of an explanation on, make sure you comment it below. Comment, like, subscribe. Follow me at Beauty is Grace on everything. Thank you guys so much for watching.